Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupos man ang tinig ay hindi mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala, ikaw aking musika.
Hindi, ang hirap naman buksan, kuya. Hindi natanggal yung...
Putok yan.
Ah, talaga? Kuya, ang natanggal ata.
Kung dumating ang araw na di na maalala ng iyong mata ang aking mukha.
Paano kami nagkakilala? Office mates kami. Wait lang, sir, ang hirap.
I still can't believe na nandito na tayo. Parang kailan lang. We became friends, close friends, and then tayo na. Ang saya lang isipin na we fell for each other in the most natural way. Bye, friendship.
Muli kang liligawan ng muli kong maranasan ng umibig sa anghel sa lupa. Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay hiwaga mo.
Mavs, kunyari na lang masa-surprise ka kapag na-open mo nito. Napakahirap mong i-surprise pero okay lang din. Kasi at least alam ko na magugustuhan mo to kasi ikaw yung pumili. I want you to remember this special day of ours. Every time na gagamitin mo to, thank you for everything, B. Sobrang na-appreciate ko lahat ng ginagawa mo for me and I'm so lucky to have you. May this be the start of our long and happy life together. Through thick and thin, I love you. See you later. Love, Veron.
Oh.
Nayak. Nayak.
Next.
Hawakan.
Akin na. Ano?
Hi, B. Thank you for everything. I know hindi ka mahilig sa mga ganitong type of gift, pero I know magugustuhan mo ito. Dahil, number 1, color white. Number 2, di bulky. 3, bigay ko. I love you. Bakit may extra,
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di
Nung nakilala ko naman po si Mobs, parang iba talaga. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya i-explain, pero iba siya sa pakiramdam kasi parang masaya, parang lahat ng problema merong solusyon pag siya yung kasama mo. Tapos, parang alam mo yun, parang siya yung nakikita mo na makasama na habang buhay.
ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tula, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ang tinig ay di mawawala. Hiwaga mong dala, ako ang iyong musika.
Wag. Alam ko to.
Parang gusto din namin yan ah.
Alam ko to. Sabi na
Babatin natin din. Lego.
Siyempre, papayag ba naman ako na hindi kita i-spoil sa araw ng wedding natin. You deserve to have this at alam ko kung magugustuhan mo to. Sana naman pansinin mo pa ako at sana naman, kunin. Umattend ka muna sa kasal natin pagkabukas mo nito, ha? I love you so much, B. I can't wait to marry you and see you later.
Sakto, Fortnite. Mukhang lagi na ulit ako kila Mabs. Tambay na. Simulan na yan.
Sakto, may God of War na.
Uy, sakto ko.
Uy, masira. Dapat pala niregaloan ko siyang magandang TV.
Tama, oo nga.
that could light up the dark. Strong faith, close family, choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life. We moved west towards the city, grew up fast and got a little gritty. We found love, worked hard, bought a house with a big backyard. When I met you, something changed in me. I'm better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you, I see a little clearer. Through the years and every change, we'll put up a fight. 'Cause you're my love, my everything. You are my life.
Magparamdam po tayo ng pagmamahal kay Mavs at Veron ngayon na sa pamamagitan ng isang mainit at masigabong palakpakan.
You are my life. You are my life.
Hindi lang kayo ikakasal ngayon, meron din kayong gagawin dalawang bagay simula ngayon habang buhay. Ano yung dalawa? Number 1, simula ngayon, Mavs Veron, bigyan nyo ang bawat isa araw-araw ng regalo. At ang pangalan ng regalo, Good Memories.
Pinaramdam niya sa akin kung paano mahalin, alagaan, sinuportahan niya ako, naniwala siya sa akin. Never niya akong iniwan and ginudge. Yung ang saya ng buhay ko pag andyan siya. Kasi alam kong may nakakaintindi at re-respeto sa akin.
Mavs, bakit araw-araw? Veron, bakit magandang alaala? Dahil tatanda at lilipas din kayo. At sa inyong pagtanda, maraming magpapaalam sa inyong buhay. Isa sa magpapaalam ay ang inyong itsura. Mavs, hindi ka gwapo forever. Veron, hindi ka rin pretty forever. Kaya kung ang plano nyo, ganyan ang itsura nyo habang buhay, mafu-frustrate lang kayo. As early as now, dapat handa kayo, hindi kasama ang ganitong batang itsura hanggang pagtanda.
I don't expect for a relationship to be perfect. Everything would have struggles. Pero I'm happy to experience it with you. We'll face it together and I love you.
Pero sa totoo lang, pag mag-asawa na kayo, yung bahay na uuwian nyo, iisa na lang at isa sa mga pagkakamali ng mga couples, sobrang pagod na sila, ginagawa na nila ang bahay na boarding house. Para lang matulog, kumain, magpahinga. Nung estudyante tayo, pwede. Ngayon, bawal na. Nalobat kayo pag-uuwi. Dapat may lakas pa. Kasi when you go home, it is supposed to be quality time with loved ones. Veron, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Mabs, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
I, Maverick Medina, take you, Veronica Grace Luna, to be my wife. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health, and I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
I, Veronica Grace Luna, take you, Maverick Medina, to be my husband. I promise to be true to you in good times and in bad, in sickness and in health. I will love you and honor you all the days of my life.
And I, Father Alan de Guzman, a Dominican priest of Calaruega, Philippines, by the authority of the Church, calling on all those present here as witnesses, confirm and bless the bond of marriage which you have contracted in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Parang atin ng gabi, para bang wala tayong katabi. Tayo'y sumayaw, na parang di na tayo bibitaw. Parang atin ang gabi, para bang wala tayong katabi. At tayo'y sumayaw, na parang di na tayo bibitaw. Para bang wala tayong katabi. At tayo'y sumayaw, na parang di na tayo bibitaw. Di na tayo bibitaw.
I have never met a friend as caring and as thoughtful as you. Lagi ka nga namin tinatawag ni Maa Nanay kasi you are really the mother of our group. And the way na isipin mo yung convenience namin over your own, the way na nagbabaon ka ng madaming ulam para makakain din kami ng pagkain. And the way na pinapagluto mo kami pag may gusto kami pagkain, the way na pinagtatanggol mo kami sa mga nangaaway sa amin sa pila sa bus. The way na pinagsasabihan mo kami pag may mali kaming nagagawa. You are a mother to us in so many ways. So imagine our happiness when Mavs told us na he's proposing on your birthday last year. Imagine our happiness when we found out that you're finally getting married to someone na kasing laki mo sa pagmamahal. Your relationship is very special because it was unexpected and because you started as really good friends. Sa sobrang good friends nyo, parang naging sobrang maingat kayo nung nag-start na kayo maging attracted sa isa't isa. To the point na both of you were very in denial sa feelings. But I guess both of you are so full of love, kaya hindi nyo na napigilan na tuluyan na magkagusto sa isa't isa. You complement each other in so many ways. And I remember Mavs telling me na hindi siya sanay sa receiving end ng gifts and surprises. And it's probably the same with Veron. Kasi ganun din siyang klase ng tao. So to Mavs and Veron, I know you will be a good spouse to one another and a good mother and father to your future kids. With both your selflessness, I know that your home will be filled with so much love.
Like any other relationship, friendship needs trust, respect, and even allowance for mistakes to last long too. So, Veron and I met in HR Mall, ang tahanan mo. So, madalas kami mag-overnight doon. Last 2014. And that's how our friendship started. Nasa isang team kami and madalas kami sabay-sabay umuwi. And that's, we started call ourselves Alabang Girls. So, Mona, Maad, and Veron. And like what Mona mentioned, she always the mother of our group. Always the one who's ready to protect us. And yung laging abala and nag-aasikaso. So happy kami na when you met Mavs, who's doing the same thing for you and for his groups too. When Mavs was planning on proposing, sa pagkakatanda ko nasa kami nun, sa sasakyan nila Rod and Lads. And he said na kapag nag-aya na siya papuntang Batanes, alam na. But pandemic happened. So, hindi natuloy yung ganong plano. And ang daming nangyari. So, when Mavs chat us ni Mona about proposing sa birthday ni Veron last year, naging excited kami. Katulad niya, parang super excited. And now that we are here sa wedding nyo, we thank you for always making us part of your journey. To Veron and Mavs, congratulations and best wishes. Humayo kayo at magpakarami.
So good evening to all. First, I just want to say congratulations to both of you. Ever since college, I've known Mams simula first year up to now. So, Maps was one of my friend na nilalapitan tuwing may problema or what. He is one of the reason kung paano ko na-overcome yung depression ko before. So, super thankful na nakilala ko si Mabs. Just piece of advice to both of you. Just want you to let you know that nandito lang ako sa inyo if you ever need something or support from me. So again, congratulations to both of you.
Hello. So, good evening po everyone. So, firstly, I would like to say also congratulations to Mabs and Veron. We're very happy to witness these very special days of yours. Friends, family, I would like to thank you all for coming here tonight with all the effort of getting dressed and being presentable. You all look fantastic tonight. I am Dan, one of Maverick's best man. So, his bundok buddy, inuman buddy, kalokohan buddy, kalaro sa computer, kahit saang computer shop, ganyan. His oo agad sa, tara try natin, tara gin natin to, puntaan natin, ganyan. Like randomly, we had our first tattoos, na biglaan lang. Tara, patato tayo. Saan? Tara, ganun lang, ganun kabilis. So, hindi po. Hindi po ako yung makasalanan. So, we experience a lot crazy things and crazy moments. Basically, puro kalokohan lang talaga. And that makes us solid. Solid in a sense that nonsense things make sense to us. as barkadas. So to Beron, the newlywed Mrs. Medina, you look gorgeous tonight. I just want to say that please be very patient with that human being beside you. Mobs can be very annoying sometimes or every time. Every time, no? So, he may not answer you seriously from time to time. But that's what makes mobs mobs. But even though he's like that, I can assure you that he'll manage to be serious when things matter. So, I want to keep this short as possible kasi mababaw po yung luha ko. So, everyone, please raise your...
Ikaw lang mahal, laman ng tulal, tunog ng gitara at himig ng kanta. Kumupas man ng tinig ay di mawawala, hiwag ka magdala. Ako ang iyong musika.
Salamat dahil binusog mo ako. Hindi lang sa itsura ko ngayon na sobrang busog ko dahil masarap ka magluto, pero binusog mo ako ng pagmamahal.
Parang masaya, parang lahat ng problema, merong solusyon pag siya yung kasama mo. Parang alam mo yun, parang siya yung nakikita mo na makasama na habang buhay.
Feeling like I'm on the highway, 'cause everything been going my way, and now they looking at me sideways. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be. Na na na. Never ever gonna leave. Na na na. You ain't gonna for me.
This is it. Ito na yung matagal nating hinihintay.
Sobrang excited ako sa mga mangyayari sa future natin.
Alam ko naman na simula pa lang, ito rin yung pupuntahan ng relationship natin dalawa eh.
Well, yung qualities niya actually is, sobrang magka-vibes kami. Parang sa barkada or sa tropa, kami yung malakas man trip.
Very loving, very funny. Masarap siya kasama. Yung parang alam mo yun, parang wala kang problem kapag siya yung kasama mo.